So now it's time to capture our first app for app volumes. A little life hack here is we're going to use our cloud PC to do it. So now we don't have to worry about building a VM or anything like that. So we're going to use our elevated command prompt, and we're going to install that agent. Most of this is like what you would be used to. Now let's make sure, it's always a good test, let's make sure we can resolve our server. So we can see here we can resolve it, so that's a good start. So we're going to go Agile Writer -DC0. Yes, we know, not ideal. Writer.ai. This is why we test. And we're going to disable validation because, we're not trying to get too crazy. We're going to enable persistent desktops. That's the big change. Then hit next, hit install. And this is going to go ahead and this is going to install that agent for us. And once that's done installing, we're going to pop on over to our App Volumes Manager and confirm that we see it in inventory, because that's the big key. As long as we see it, then we'll be able to use it. We just got to do a quick restart. Be right back. So we're back, and here's the great news, is we can see right here that our CPC, our cloud PC, is up and connected. So now from here, we're going to go ahead and create the Zoom application. So I'm going to call this Zoom. I'm going to create this, create a package. Yes, I'm going to call that Zoom, create new package, hit create. So that package has been created. So let's go over to the package, which is in the creating stage right now. So you can see here it's in the unpackaged state. So now we want to package it. So click on package, and look, there's our packaging computer right there. And we're going to click package. Watch what happens. Yes, we would love to start packaging on here. And so the question is, how does that magic happen? So look, it's telling you exactly what it wants you to do. It says restart the cloud PC, and then you can be able to install that application. So we're going to do just that. We're going to go in here, and you know what? Let's even do it a more fun way. Let's grab our little cloud PC, do a restart. You can see that awesome Windows 365 app in action. So there it goes. The cool thing about doing it this way that I like is that it'll actually tell you when it's back. So you can see here it's back, so we're going to reconnect and start the whole packaging process. So our machine is up, and look at that. Packaging in process, or progress rather. Please install application. Click OK after installing that application. Okay, so to install our app, what we're going to do here, because it's Zoom and we want to install it the right way. So we're going to do a little run as administrator, Teams go away. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to browse. And then from there, we're going to pop this in here. And as it turns out, you do need to type it in correctly for it to work. So we are going to run that command, and what we're going to do is wait till we see Zoom, and then we can stop that capture. So there we go, we see Zoom. It was very quick and painless. So from here, we're going to go ahead and click OK. Yes, we are complete. It pulls the name and the version out of the OS, which is great. You click Finalize. Restart required. Please log in after it is restart to complete. Hit OK. So we're back. Let's see what it tells us. Packaging successful. Please revert your virtual machine. Cool. So let's see how it went, shall we? Let's check out our VM. So on our VM, let's see what happened. So you can see here now, we can see application, we can see a successful package, version number, everything we would expect to see, which is very, very cool. Let's just pop into our package here, and we set current. Because obviously the next step will be to assign it out. But first, let's do one other thing. So now we used our life hack, we used our existing cloud PC to do this. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a reset. So we're going to reset our cloud PC so that when that essentially comes back, it'll get the app. Because right now, the last thing that we're going to do to finish everything off. Okay, and we just click assign. We're going to find the group, and we're going to go ahead and we're going to assign that. So we have gone ahead and done our one assignment. So you'll see here we go to assignments. You can see that it's going to go down to everybody. It's great. Obviously it mentions one member. When we get back, we're going to check out that user experience once our machine comes back.